once a day to have the hormone levels of a 20-year-old? Are you a man over 30 facing challenges with low energy, reduced sex drive, and a decrease in muscle mass? You could be dealing with low testosterone. Testosterone is the primary male hormone crucial for preserving muscle mass, bone strength, sexual desire, sperm production, and more. However, after the age of 30, a man's testosterone levels naturally start to decline by about 1% each year. The positive news is that you can enhance your body's natural testosterone production through straightforward dietary and lifestyle modifications, beginning with this powerful homemade testosterone-boosting drink. Continue watching to discover the recipe and enjoy the benefits of increased T. Low testosterone, or low T, is extremely prevalent among men over 30. In fact, it's believed that 40% of men over the age of 45 have clinically low testosterone levels. The symptoms might be subtle initially, but tend to worsen gradually over time. Reduced libido and erectile dysfunction, low energy and exhaustion, loss of muscle mass and an increase in body fat, depressed mood and mental fog, thinning hair, and skin. Does this sound familiar? If you're nodding in agreement, know that you're not alone. And there are natural solutions to help restore your testosterone levels. The first powerful ingredient in our homemade testosterone drink is pumpkin seeds. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds provides 74% of your daily recommended intake of zinc, a vital mineral for testosterone production. Zinc deficiency is closely associated with low T levels. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, another essential mineral for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to raise both free and total testosterone levels in men. Add a quarter cup of raw pumpkin seeds into a food processor or blender. Then, add 4 to 5 Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are among the best dietary sources of selenium, a trace mineral with strong antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect the testes and sperm from oxidative stress and damage. One study found that men with the highest levels of selenium had 33% higher testosterone levels compared to those with the lowest levels. Brazil nuts are also a good source of the amino acid arginine, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow and erectile function. Blend the Brazil nuts and pumpkin seeds together until they form a fine, crumbly texture. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Now, it's time to add some spice with a dash of ground nutmeg and cinnamon. Nutmeg has long been used in traditional medicine as an aphrodisiac to boost libido. The active compound in nutmeg, myristicin, has been shown to increase the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, enhancing mood and sexual desire. Cinnamon, on the other hand, improves circulation by relaxing and widening blood vessels. Proper blood flow is essential for strong erections and sexual function. Studies have also found that cinnamon supplementation can significantly increase sperm count, motility, and viability, important factors for male fertility. Add 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and cinnamon to the bowl. Fenugreek is an herb that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to enhance male virility and vitality. Modern research has validated fenugreek's testosterone-boosting abilities. In one study, 30 college-aged men took a fenugreek supplement for 8 weeks. The results were impressive: a significant increase in testosterone levels, along with greater muscle mass and strength. Another study on 50 men found that taking fenugreek daily improved sexual function and increased testosterone levels by up to 46%. To harness these benefits, we'll be adding a tablespoon of fenugreek powder to our drink. Look for fenugreek powder at health food stores, Indian grocery stores, or online. Maca root is a Peruvian superfood prized for its ability to boost energy, mood, and sexual function. Maca works by normalizing the body's stress response and balancing the endocrine system, including the hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal glands, all of which play a role in testosterone production. A 2015 study found that maca supplementation for 12 weeks significantly improved sexual desire and erectile function in men with mild erectile dysfunction. Add a teaspoon of gelatinized maca powder to the bowl. Gelatinized maca is easier to digest than raw maca powder. Time to sweeten up our testosterone drink with a spoonful of raw cacao powder. Cacao is one of the richest dietary sources of magnesium, providing 27% of the daily value in just 1 tablespoon. As mentioned, magnesium is crucial for testosterone production. Cacao is also packed with flavonols, potent antioxidants that enhance blood flow and lower blood pressure. This is important for sexual function, as erectile dysfunction is often an early warning sign of cardiovascular disease. Look for raw cacao powder rather than Dutch processed cocoa powder, as the latter is treated with alkali, which destroys many of the beneficial flavonols. Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder to the bowl and mix all the ingredients together until well combined. Congratulations! You've now made a powerful, homemade, testosterone-boosting drink. Here's a quick summary of the ingredients. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 4 to 5 Brazil nuts, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, in 1 tablespoon fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon gelatinized maca powder, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture to yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or any other food of your choice. You can stir it into some plain Greek yogurt for a protein and testosterone boosting snack. The ingredients will keep in an airtight container in the fridge for about a month. Aim to consume the mixture daily for best results. You can double or triple the recipe as needed. In addition to incorporating this testosterone-boosting drink into your daily routine, here are some other dietary and lifestyle tips to maximize your body's natural testosterone production. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep deprivation can significantly lower testosterone levels. Exercise regularly, lift weights, and do high-intensity interval training to boost testosterone and build lean muscle. Avoid chronic cardio, which can lower T levels. Minimize stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can reduce testosterone. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Eat healthy fats. Monounsaturated and saturated fats from foods like olive oil, avocados, eggs, and grass-fed meat are the building blocks for testosterone. Avoid trans fats and limit polyunsaturated fats. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is a steroid hormone involved in testosterone production. Get 20 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight daily, or supplement with 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 per day. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can lower testosterone levels and impair sexual function. Stick to 1 to 2 drinks per day, maximum. There you have it. A simple homemade recipe to help boost your body's natural testosterone production, along with dietary and lifestyle tips to maximize your T levels. Remember, low testosterone is extremely common in men over 30, but it doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right nutrition, lifestyle habits, and natural testosterone boosters, like this potent drink, you can reclaim your manhood and enjoy more energy, muscle, and vitality well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Give this testosterone drink a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could benefit. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. Health Guide offers you free, healthy living offers.